Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DENT token. Today I would like to recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that DENT token has completed on the weekly time frame, and I would like to also show you this very strong support zone, and the DENT token has entered this support zone once again, and you can see after testing this support every time it starts a big rally from here, and we will also take a look at this down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big bullish harmonic reversal guardlay move that DENT token has formed on the weekly time frame. And you can see I shared this pattern on 3rd of Feb with my members at the Patreon. And I told them that even though we have formed a very big harmonic reversal setup, but the price line is stuck in this falling wedge pattern, therefore we need to wait for the breakout, and after that we can buy DENT token. However, the bullish reversal setup is completed, and it can start a very big reversal move from this potential reversal zone. Now the sell targets for this harmonic bullish reversal guardlay are from $0.0053 and goes to $0.00766. Now I have played this chart, and you can see that the price line is still moving in the potential reversal zone of this big guardlay move. Now let's take a look at this support zone that I was talking about, that is starting from $0.0022 and goes to $0.01826. And you can see whenever the price line is entering in this strong support zone, is nicely bouncing to the upside. Like here, when we had this rejection by this support zone, previously it was working as a resistance, by the way, back in March 2021. And once the price line broke it out, we had more than 900% move. And again, back in July 2021, the price line tested this support, and again we had another reversal move. And by the way, here we also had another harmonic move, what I could not share with you. That was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move, and this time it has formed harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move. And after this formation of bat, the price line moved up, and that was more than 300%. This time it has again entered in this zone. You can see we had a spike down to $0.00193. That was very close to the support, to the bottom of the support zone, and from here we can expect now once again another reversal move. But this powerful reversal won't be started unless we will not break out this resistance that the price line has found. If we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see here this is the resistance. Previously I was following it as a falling wedge, but after these two more touch points, the price line has formed a down channel. Therefore I'm just treating this level as this pattern as a down channel now. We need to break out this resistance, and once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, then we can expect another very big reversal move from here. The target for this down channel can be here at the top of this channel. That will be approximately at $0.0075. However, we can also follow these sell targets of a guardlay move that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.